Following is the trial balance extracted from the books of Raju Traders. You are required to prepare trading account, profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and balance sheet as on that date after considering the additional adjustment. The additional adjustments make closing stock valued 40,000, cost price 44,000 is the market price. Which one you will take?
40,000.
Okay, underline that. Then provide depreciation, plant and machinery, furniture and computer 5%, 10%, 15%. In front of plant and machinery, furniture and computer. Number 2. Salaries are paid 10 months only. Salaries number 3. Look at the salaries.
Yes, sir.
Further bad debt rupees 400. Provide 10% RDD on sundry debtors. In front of sundry debtors and bad debt. Number 4. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Advertisement paid for 2 years. In front of advertisement number 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now capital, first you will record capital. Look at the capital, I think balance, trial balance, how much is given?
2 lakh.
2 lakh. Okay, fine. Now we will come to the one by one. First item of the trial balance.
Raju's drawings.
Drawings. We will leave 2 lines from and below the capital, less we will write drawings. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Less drawings. Amount is
30,000. No, sorry, 5,000.
5,000. Okay, fine. Next opening stock. Amount is
30,000.
30,000. Fine. And next wages. Where I will record wages.
Wages. Trading account.
Trading account. Just you see is there is purchase return. If you see in the credit side, there is a return outward. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Return outward is also called as a purchase return. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we will write wages below, leaving one line. Wages. How much is the amount of wages I have?
5,000.
5,000. Next, we have
Purchases.
purchases. Inner column purchases. Amount is
60,000.
Less
Purchases. 2,400.
outward. क्या बोलेंगे? Return
Outward.
outward. How much is the amount?
2,400.
2,400 minus 60,000 minus 2,400. 57,600. Hope you are understanding me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next item in the trial balance is trade expenses. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you have general expenses? You see that in the below somewhere. General expenses, office expenses, sundry expenses, miscellaneous expenses. कुछ दिया है क्या देखना है हमें. If it is not given, we will take into the profit and loss account. Okay.
Yes, sir.
2 trade expenses. इसको हम कहते हैं GMOS. What is GMOS stands for? General expenses, miscellaneous expenses, office expenses and sundry expenses. अगर ये 4 अगर इसके साथ आती है तो trade expenses will be taken into trading account. Otherwise, trade expenses will be taken into profit and loss account. Hope
Yes,
you are
sir.
clear with that. Amount is 800 rupees. I'm right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next amount, next one we have
Royalties.
Royalty is known as direct expenses. So always direct expenses will be taken into which account?
Trading.
Trading account. Royalties amount is 1,600.
600.
Next, I have salaries. Where I should take salaries,
Salaries, profit and loss account.
profit and loss account. Two salaries. Salaries. Inner column, there is an adjustment. Salaries, inner column, I will write amount is how much?
20,000.
20,000. Look at the
20,000.
adjustment, what it says. Salary is paid for only 10 months. 10 months ka 20,000. How much for each month?
20,000 divided by 10.
10. How much it comes?
2,000.
2,000 per month. In a year, how many months?
12.
Out of this, 10 months is paid. Means how many months is spending?
2 months.
2 months. 2,000 into 2. How much is spending? 4,000.
4,000.
Called as outstanding salaries. What I will do outstanding salaries?
Add.
Add outstanding salaries. This is called as hidden adjustment. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Self-explanatory adjustment. It will sometimes they will give you in the bracket also. They will mention. Okay. And here it is specifically mentioned in the adjustment salary is paid. Otherwise, they will give you in the trial balance itself salaries bracket. They will write 10 months. Are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
So 4,000 I will add. Total salary for the year is 24,000.
24,000.
When a salary is outstanding, where I should take outstanding expenses,
Liability.
liabilities. That is outstanding salaries. Outstanding salaries. Amount is 4,000. Hope you are understanding me.
Yes, sir.
Next, I have debtors. Where I will record debtors.
Asset.
Asset side. I have 3 fixed assets are there. Computer, furniture, and plant and machinery. I will leave
Yes, sir.
3 plus 3. Depreciation is also there. So I will leave the 6th line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Below that, I will write debtors. And debtors, we have the RDD adjustment, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, 80,000, I will write debtors and I will leave 3 lines. We will do the debtor adjustment at the last, finally. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, I have plant and machinery, where I should take
Asset.
asset, plant and machinery account. That is how much is the
56,000.
amount? 56,000. What is the
56,000.
adjustment says that? Adjustment says that plant and machinery to be depreciated 5%. Calculate 5% of 56,000. Less depreciation. Less depreciation. 10% is 5,600. Half of that.
2,800.
2,800. This is the way you will be calculating easily. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Outer column, you will get amount is how much? 53,200. 53,200. The second
Yes,
effect
sir.
of depreciation will be taken into profit and
Loss account. Profit and loss account.
non-cash expenses. Therefore, we will write two depreciation on. One is plant and machinery. Other one is furniture. Other one is computer.
Computer.
We will keep writing the name. Later on, we will fill up the amount. Computer. Plant and machinery, I got 2,800, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, I have that after plant and machinery, printing and stationery. Where I will take printing and stationery.
Profit and loss account.
Profit and
Debit.
loss account. To printing and stationery. To printing and stationery. Amount is
2,400.
2,400. Next, I have bad debt.
Bad debt.
To last adjustment. Okay. Then we have
Yes, sir.
discount, which is given in the debit side. To is a discount, you will be taken into profit and loss account. Debit.
Debit.
Okay, if it is given in the credit side, it will be recorded in credit side because it is known as income. Okay.
Yes, sir.
When it is discount, commission, interest, A3 is ध्यान में रखना. Discount, interest, commission. If it is given in the debit side, it is paid, and if it is given in the credit side, it is received. Debit paid means expenses, received means income. Hope you are
Yes,
clear
sir.
with this. Next, I have furniture. I will take into
Furniture asset.
asset. Furniture inner column. Amount is 16,000. Less depreciation, he says 10%. 10%. So
1,600.
1,600. Very good. Minus it 1,600. So outer column
14,400.
14,400. Okay. Second effect of depreciation, where I should take
Profit and loss account.
debit side. Okay. Next,
Yes, sir.
carriage outward. Sorry, advertisement.
Advertisement.
Where I will take advertisement.
Profit and loss account.
Profit and loss account. Advertisement. Amount is I have 3,000.
3,000.
Okay. Carriage outward. Where I should take.
Sir, advertisement, it has adjustment.
It has adjustment. Okay. We will take inner column. Okay. Adjustment number
5.
Advertisement paid for 2 years. So 2 years 3,000. How much is for 1
Okay.
year?
1 year.
3,000 divided by 2.
3.
3 ka half 1.5.
Yes, sir.
1,500. 1,500. We had to take for only 1 year because final account is prepared for 1 year. Correct? So,
yes, sir.
Prepaid advertisement, that is 1,500 minus outer column 1,500. Where we will take prepaid
Asset.
prepaid advertisement. Hope you are clear with that.
Yes, sir.
Prepaid advertisement. Okay. Hope you are understanding.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. 1,500. Next, I have carriage outward. Where I should take carriage outward.
Profit and loss account
Profit
debit.
and loss account debit side. To carriage outward. Carriage outward. Because it is sales related expenses. Amount is
600.
600. Next item in the trial balance we have
Computer.
Computers will be taken into
Asset.
Computers. Amount is
1,20,000.
1,20,000. Less depreciation.
15%.
15%. Usually computer 60% तक depreciation होता, but here he says 15%. Okay, 15% is depreciation. 10% is 12,000 and 5% is 6,000. Say 12 plus 6 how much?
18,000.
18,000. Very good. 18,000 minus 1,20,000 minus 18,000. 1,02,000. Okay, 1,02,000. Second effect of the depreciation will comes to
Profit and loss account.
18,000. So when you all add all total this, it comes to 22,400. How much it comes?
22,400.
Fine. Next, I have that bill receivable goes to
Asset.
bill receivable. So amount is
16,000.
bill receivable. 16,000. Next, I have that cash in hand goes to
Asset.
cash in hand. Asset. Amount is
1,100.
Cash at bank goes to
Asset.
cash at bank. Cash at bank. amount is, that is 2000. Next, credit side capital, we are already recorded. Sales. Sales is how much?
1,64,000.
There is no sales written. If it is there, it should be given in the debit side.
Yes, sir.
Return outward is already recorded. Then creditors, where I will record
Liability,
liability. Creditors. Amount is
40,000.
40,000. Okay. Next, I have discount in the credit side. It is known as
Discount
received.
give received.
Received by discount. It is an income. Hope you are following me.
Yes, sir.
Next, bills payable.
Bills payable.
Where I should record
Liability.
liabilities. It is an payable. Bills payable. Amount is
13,600.
13,600. The first adjustment, we have closing stock valued at 40,000 at cost price and 44,000 is the market price. Which one I should take?
40,000.
40,000. One effect, trading account, credit side. What is the second effect?
Provide depreciation for plant and machinery, furniture and computer.
Next effect of closing stock, where you will take?
Achha. Balance sheet.
Closing stock. Always give two effect. Otherwise, your balance sheet will not going to tally. 40,000. Then I have that second adjustment we are done. Third is we are done. And only
Yes,
fourth is pending and fifth is also we are done. Now you are already studied what is the bad debt formula. What is the bad debt formula you are studied?
Bad debt plus remaining bad debt.
Remaining further bad debt.
Further bad debt plus
new RDD minus old RDD.
Old RDD.
Learn this formula. First you
Yes,
will
sir.
be further bad debt and new RDD where it is given.
Adjustment.
Adjustment that we will do minus here. Less further bad debt. See, less further bad debt, how much is given?
400.
Further bad debt. That is given is 400 minus 400. 80,000 minus 400. That comes to 79,600.
600.
79,600. Less new RDD. Less new RDD. New RDD.
Sir, add new RDD.
All less. बैलेंस शीट में दोनों लेस होता है, ध्यान में रखो, ठीक है? Further bad debt and new RDD both are deducted. That will be added in the profit and loss account.
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't get confused. So because that much is new provision we are creating, therefore value of the debtors will be reduced, value of the asset will be reduced. So that will be the 10% of sundry debtors, that is 7960 after deducting further bad debt. Are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
So 7960, when you minus it, you will get 71,640. 71,640. Hope you are clear with this, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now bad debt formula what we are using. Now I will come to here that formula what we have. So this formula we already learned it. Bad debt which is given in trial balance debit side. Look at that. How much is that? Bad debt which is given in the trial balance debit side. How much?
900.
900 plus further bad debt we are already recorded here. If you see here, that is
yes,
400.
400.
New RDD we are already calculated here. That is 7960. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Total of that is 9,260. Okay.
Yes, sir.
There is no old RDD is given. Okay. If you see in the credit side of the trial balance, there is no old RDD, zero. That is 9260. Is the answer is positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. When the answer is positive, where we will record?
Debit side.
Debit side of the profit and loss account. Okay, so that is why I will record in profit and loss account debit side. So 9260. If you are not writing this also fine, you can directly write 9260 outer column to make you understand the formula. That is why I am writing everything here. Are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
9260. And I also given the second effect here, further bad debt and new RDD. Whichever is given in the adjustment, that should have the two effect. Hope you are understanding me what I have explained.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have to find out the total of the gross profit, net profit. Hope we are completed everything. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. So credit total is 2,04,000. Correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
debit total we will do it. That will comes to 94,200. We will minus 94,200. Minus 94,200. That is 2,04,000 minus 94,200. That comes to 2 lakh
1,09,800.
1,09,800. Correct. 1,09,800. Correct. Second effect will come to the here 1,09,800. I will make a total of P&L credit, that is 1,14,400, 1,11,400. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This side is 62,160. We already put up the formula, that is why directly comes. In the exam, you have to do it yourself. Clear?
Yes, sir.
1,11,400 minus 62,160. We have to minus it. How much it comes, you can find out. That comes to 49,240. To net profit transferred to capital account. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Now net
Yes, sir.
profit added to here, add net profit. Net profit. How much we got net profit? How much is the net profit we got? 49,240. 49,240. When you add it, that will comes to 2,49,240 minus 5,000. That is 2,44,240. 240. So when you make both the side, it should be tally. Can you see the tallied figure?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 3,01,840. Did you understood how we completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now you can copy it.